this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to another wallet. So let's get started. From our home screen, we're going to click on the purple button down below. And in here, we're going to select withdraw at the bottom. Here, we're going to select Ethereum. And in here, we're going to add a new address, or you can select an existing one. So if you have an existing one, you can click on the arrow down and just go ahead and select it. Or if you don't have one, then just click on add new address in here. And now we are going to select the network. So this is really important because you need to select the same network as you are going to select on your other wallet. So for example, when you select Ethereum in here and when you select Ink on your other wallet, then your crypto might get lost. So this is really important. And I'm just going to go with Ethereum. And in here, you need to add the new address. And in order to get this address, we are going to our other wallet. So in this tutorial, I will demonstrate by using my Coinbase wallet, but of course you can use any other wallet. It works mostly the same on every application. So what you're going to do is you're going to find something that's saying transfer and then receive crypto or deposit crypto or something like that. So I'm going to click on receive crypto. So let's type in Ethereum in the search bar. And in here we see ETH, and that is the one that we want. So click on this. So in this screen, we are going to select a network, and by default it is Ethereum. But as I already said, it is really important that you select the same one on your Kraken wallet so that these two match. So I'm going with Ethereum because I just selected it as well. Right now, our wallet address is created, and we can either scan the QR code in here, or we can go ahead and copy it to our clipboard. And right now we can go back to the Kraken app and paste it in. So I've pasted in the withdrawal address from my other wallet, and right now I can click on continue. In this screen, you need to make a nickname, and I'm just going for something simple that is Coinbase and then ETH. And now we click on continue. In here, you need to confirm. Kraken will always send you an email to confirm your withdrawal address. So look out for your junk or your spam or your normal inbox for this email. And in this email, you can click on confirm address. And that is what we're going to do for now. So our address is approved, and now we can go back to Kraken to finalize the transfer. So as you can see, we have the right wallet address selected. And if you don't have the right one, then click on this arrow and then select the right one. So this one is the right one for me. And now we can enter an amount to transfer. Let's say €1. Then we click on review. In order to finalize the transfer, you only need to swipe to withdraw down below. And after you do that, you will transfer your Ethereum from Kraken to another wallet. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.